Hey, this is Dave, and I'm with Get Ranked 24 Hour channel. Um, I'm going to be talking to you today about the five-step power system to success in 2021. This system has been working for myself and many others in the last 10 years. And in 2021, it is working more than it has ever before. So I'm going to be talking to you about how to build this five-step power system to success. We're going to get into it right away. But before that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can keep track of all new videos coming in. I'll be putting out videos on a weekly basis. So go ahead and hit the smash button below, smash the subscribe button below, and we're going to get started right now. So the first thing is for the five-step power system to success is you want to build a money site. Now, what is a money site? Well, this is one of my money sites. It's called snaponlinebusiness.com. This is a money site. Now, if you want to know how to build one, you can build one within about 2 to 3 hours. You can watch my 10-step video series that will show you, it's free training on this channel. It'll show you how to build a money site. Now, what's the second thing you do once you build this? You want to use organic traffic. And I only use two sources of organic traffic. The first one is Pinterest. Pinterest has more than ever now, it has been giving us amazing traffic, okay? Now, Pinterest is a search engine. It's not just a social media. It is a very, very good traffic source that works amazing for blogs. The second thing is you're watching right on it right now, is YouTube. YouTube is the second organic traffic. Now, with these two organic traffic sources, this gives traffic to the money site. Now, what do you want to do when everything comes to the money site? Well, you're going to want to have some ad networks. Now, you can use Google AdSense. You can use media.net. I've got a video that shows different ad networks, that type of thing that you can put on your money site. The second one is affiliate products, okay? And with just the money site and the organic traffic, the ad networks and the affiliate products, guess what? You have more than enough to build money right there. But the next thing is you want to build a sales funnel. And with that sales funnel, the purpose is to build an email list, okay? Now, you've probably watched other trainings and all they talk about is build an email list, drive traffic to it. But without that money site, folks, you're not building your brand and it does not work. And that's why people have so many problems with affiliate marketing, okay? So this is the next step, okay? Sales funnel, build an email list, and guess what? You're gonna recommend affiliate products and you're gonna share new blog posts as you enter new blog posts on your money site. Okay. Now, with just this right here, you're building one heck of a business. Okay. You want to put the icing on the cake, do a little bit of paid traffic, but you do not need paid traffic in order for this system to work. Okay. Paid traffic is amazing. I will be teaching you different paid traffic sources on this channel. Like for instance, you can get video views on a video for 6 cents, maybe even 5 cents a video view. Okay, sometimes even cheaper. That's extremely cheap. That's affordable. But you do not need paid traffic for this whole funnel to work. So let's recap, folks. The first thing is you want to build your money site. We use WordPress, okay? You're going to need organic traffic. We use Pinterest and YouTube. Third thing is you want to monetize with ad networks and affiliate products. Fourth thing is you want to build your sales funnel. You want to build your email list and you want to recommend affiliate products and share new blog posts. And number 5, you want to fast track this whole system, use some paid traffic. This, folks, is the system that I have been using for the last 10 years. Okay. And in 2021, it is working even better than it ever has. Okay. This is affiliate marketing. This is an online digital business. Why do people make this thing so complicated? I don't know. Okay. But this 5-step power system to success in 2021, it works, folks. It flat out works. Okay. So again, go ahead and smash the like button, comment below and let me know if you'd like to see any more training specified on different sections. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be releasing weekly videos that'll have to do with any component of this 5-step system. Folks, I'm dedicated to working with you and helping you succeed in 2021. Building an online digital business has been very profitable. I've been very successful with this business over the last 10 years, and I want to be able to help you do the same. Okay. Thank you.